Welcome to Steady at Home. I just thought I'd run this by you guys about washers that you buy now. When you want a small load, a medium load, a large load, or a super load, I want to show you how this washer here that I just found out, how it fills. So notice I have the temperature on warm, and I can turn it on hot or cold, okay? Okay, so when I want to have it on hot or warm, and I keep this shut, as soon as I shut it, it turns cold. It doesn't matter if I have the dial on hot or warm, it'll be ice cold. Okay, so I figured out how to open my lid because it automatically locks so that I can adjust things with the laundry that I put in here because my clothes were not getting clean. And I was just wondering, hey, is anybody else having this same problem? Your washer isn't cleaning your clothes. Well, maybe because a small load is so small, and I'm going to show you now, and same with the medium and the large. Okay, so this is how I figured out how to open my lid. Okay, and this is what I do. So I have it on the dials of everything that I would want it. Let's say I have a small load of clothes. You know, what's a small load to you may not be the same as this washer. Okay, it's a hot point. All right, so I turn it on. You can hear the water, and as soon as it stops and starts running, I can open this lid. All right, and if you feel it, it was ice cold. Now it's hot. Okay. So I know this is kind of boring, but you see how it is hot, okay? See the steam? So I'm going to shut the lid, okay? Did you hear that sound, how it changed? So I'm going to open it up again. See that? It's ice cold. It's ice cold. So now I gotta start this all over again, okay? So I gotta pause it and make it stop. Okay, it stopped. So I'm gonna start it again. Here we go. 1, 2. You can hear it filling. As soon as I open it, it's going to change how it fills the water. Ice cold. Here comes the steam. So your water temperature is not the same when you shut the lid. Okay? That's disturbing. And there it is. There's the water down there. And you'll see how little a small load is. You see where the water is. Water's still hot. This, my friends, is a small load. Okay, I'm gonna get something. Let me see, so you can, oh, I need like a stick or something. Here, let me find something here that I can put in the water so you can see how low this water is. Here, I got a toothbrush. Here. It is coming to the first holes. Okay, here. Right there. The first hole. Right here. That's your small. That is so small. That's not even funny. I don't even know. That's like an inch of water. Okay? This line here that it's showing here, that's not where the water is. That's just the reflection. See? Now. Okay? Alright, so you want to do a medium? Let's see what a medium looks like. So we're going to turn it off. You got to pause it to hold. I'm going to put it on warm water because I already told you that whatever temperature you put on here, hot or warm, it's going to be cold when you shut this lid. That's all I can tell you. So we're going to put it on medium. Let's start it up. 1, 2. I want to save my hot water. All right, it's going to fill up. So I don't know how you all are going to try to figure out how to open your lid. I don't know how. I've had this washer and my new washer and dryer for 2 years now, and it took me this long to figure it out. To open the lid when it makes those 2 running water sounds. So you got to play around with it. Your instructions might have it in there. I don't know. It's ridiculous. Now you can see the water line now. See how much water it'll give me. You know, and if you got kids, and you got a lot of laundry, you got towels. Oh, that's medium, guys. That is medium. Okay? Here, see? Oh, I don't know how you can get my trusty old toothbrush back out and I'll show you. Medium. Medium is a little bigger. But to me, this isn't a medium. It's not. Here, let me grab it. It's hard. It comes to 1, 2, 3. The third hole. To me, a medium should come up to here. It should come up to here. But it's down here. Not here. Here. Okay? So let's see what a large is, right? Let's check it out. So let's pause it. You keep a hold of it. And it'll start over. Here's a large. Okay? 1, 2. Yeah, it's gonna fill. This is a large. Large isn't bad. Let's probably stop right there in that hole. Okay. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. See? Okay, that's not bad at all. And another thing that I figured out too, you have to figure it out yourself, that I always have it on heavy. If I have it on medium, it's even worse. The fill is worse. So I always put it on heavy. You tend to get more water. All right, so now we're gonna do the super, which I always do my laundry on super, heavy, and warm, of course. All right, turn it off. Turn it back on. There we go. If you're, like I said, doing towels, washing your sheets, you want to make sure you have enough water to wash those things, you know? That's it. And that's the highest it will go. So I just wanted to let you guys know this. And check your washer. See if you can figure out how to, you know, keep the washer running with the lid on, with the lid open, so you can tell how much is your washer filling. So have a great day. It's Friday, January 31st. Have a great day. Bye.